We have designed these questionnaires specifically for use in surveys. Payment workflow issues in e-commerce mobile apps. This is having 5 sections, each section having multiple questions. Please review these questions. Section 1. User information. Section 2. Shopping and payment behavior. Section 3. Payment workflow experience. Section 4. Post-payment experience. Section 5. Overall experience and suggestions. You can see 10 users' answers above the questionnaire. Each user's behavior is different. Creating an affinity mapping from these data is a difficult task for a user researcher, but you can do this in simple steps. Affinity mapping is a method we use to organize qualitative data from user research. It's a visual tool that allows us to group related ideas, themes, or issues that emerge during user interviews, surveys, and usability tests. By clustering this information, we can identify common pain points and areas that need improvement. Copy the answers for the Google document and paste these answers in the ChatGPT prompt area. Copy the answers for the Google document and paste these answers in the ChatGPT prompt area. Type the prompt created to generate the affinity mapping and press Enter. ChatGPT is creating affinity mapping in minutes. You can see the below pattern and can find the user research. Researchers can easily analyze the data. Please check the below data. 1. Devices and browsers. 2. Operating systems. 3. Payment methods. 4. Satisfaction with payment process. 5. Navigating to the payment page. 6. Issues entering payment details. 7. Visibility of payment options. Around 16 common issues were found in affinity mapping. Several users mentioned that the payment page was slow to load. Others noted that the form fields were difficult to navigate on a small screen. As we group these sticky notes, themes begin to emerge, like slow loading times, form usability, and payment option visibility. You can see 5 major issues. It takes seconds to create an empathy map. This is an easy way for management to fix the issues. User research analyzing is very simple using ChatGPT. I have provided the correct method for creating affinity and empathy mapping using real data. Please explore this functionality and let me know your thoughts.